Hello, Woodside Science students. Today we're going to introduce you to some of the resources in the library that will help find you a topic and conduct research for your science fair project. First, I'll introduce you to the resources and show you how to come up with a topic and guiding question. Later, I'll show you where you can do background research on your topic. Before starting, think about what you might like to investigate and what types of questions you might need to ask before starting. Having a guiding question can really help with your investigation or experiment. What do you want to investigate? What's going to be that question that guides your learning? So what is a guided question? It's a question that will lead you to a quality investigation and help narrow your search topic. Some examples that aren't so great are, which brand of battery is the best? Or, are mice smart? The problem with these questions is that they cannot be answered through experimentation. How would you quantify what is best, or if the mice are smart? Some great questions are, how do heat, cold, and rubbing affect the magnetism of a nail? Or, which brand of battery lasts longer? These questions lead you to an investigation that allows you to find real, measurable results. The first library resource that I'm going to show you is the library's Destiny homepage. You can get here from the Woodside homepage. Once you're on the Woodside homepage, you're going to look over on the left-hand side and find Library in the teal bar and click on Library. This is what we refer to as the library's homepage. So on this page, we have the library catalog box, and then down below there's some databases. But right now I want to show you the Destiny homepage. So right here in the middle, it says Access Destiny homepage. Click there. And then this screen will pop up, and there's just all you have to do is go over and choose Woodside High School. Okay, so here we are on the library's Destiny homepage. These are links that I put here for teachers to use for certain projects so students can access this information quickly and easily. If you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see a group of links for science fair projects. There's a couple different links, a guide to science fair projects or how to conduct. These two really tell you a good way to conduct the project, how to do one step by step. These last four, science fair topics 1, 2, 3, and 4, these are websites that have lots of different science fair projects you can do at home. One word of caution with those though, sometimes their projects on there will be more appropriate for elementary school, so you need to make sure that the project you're choosing is appropriate for high school, specifically 9th, 10th grade, whatever grade you're in. Okay, the second resource I want to show you is called Experiment Central. All right, so to get there, there's two different ways. First, you can go through the library's online catalog and search for the book called Experiment Central. The other way, the way I'm going to show you right now, is easier. I'm kind of backtracking so you know where to go. But you start at the home page, click on Library, and again, access Destiny homepage. Right where you were, all you have to do is click that first link that says Experiment Central ebook, and it'll take you right to the book. Okay, so this book is called Experiment Central, Understanding Scientific Principles Through Projects. It has hundreds of projects in it ready to go. The best way that I found to search this book is to use the index. So down here, I want you to go click on index. And if you were to scroll through, it has an A to Z list of all the topics that are in this book. I'm going to give you an example to show you what kind of projects you can find. So if I wanted to do a project on acid rain, I would type acid rain. So you can go ahead and do that with me if you'd like. Acid rain, and then hit search. Make sure you're using this box down here and not the box up top. This one down here, acid rain, search. The first result I get is an article on acid rain, see right here, and you want to click the link down below it to take you to the page. Now I'm on the page about acid rain. So if you scroll all the way down, it gives you a lot of background information. How does acid get in the rain? Why is it a problem? And it gives you a good, thorough explanation. At the very bottom, you're going to see a citation to use for research. So all of these articles in this book are going to have a citation done for you. That's important when you think about doing your bibliography for your project. Okay, Go back up to the top. There are 3 questions up here. All 3 of these correspond to a project or an experiment that you can do. I'm going to click on this 3rd one, can acid rain harm structures, as an example. As you read through, you'll see that it gives you your purpose or hypothesis. It talks about your variables. It gives you a level of difficulty. It tells you what materials you need, gives you an approximate budget and a timetable along with step-by-step instructions. Basically, everything you need to do this project is right here, and there are hundreds of them in this book. This is the Experiment Central ebook. And then last, we also have print books in the library. If you look to the front up by the circulation desk, you'll see a cart of books on science fair projects. If you feel like flipping through a real book, I'm happy to make copies of any of the pages for you if you'd like to do one of those projects instead. So now I've given you 3 different ways to search for science fair projects. If you already have a topic or after you've determined your topic, you're going to need to do research. The best place that we have for research is our library databases. So you want to click on Woodside homepage and then library. And like I said before, look down here and you'll see all these different databases. Good ones to use for this are Scholastic Go and World Book Student. So you go in those and search for your topic. The good thing about those is they're also going to have your citations already done for you. Now that you have everything that you need, it is time for you to go forth and search for a project. Good luck.